front door right here. Then we have a little cove or tall thing to put your bag, shoes in a safe, or closet you should say. Bathroom, pretty big. Nice white countertops. These are the amenities. So yeah, this is a really big room actually. Not fancy or anything, but you got the coffee in here. And then we have the water area or the water closet, but there's no light. There's no light for the bathroom. It's odd. Or, okay, never mind. There's a switch right in here. So yeah. And we'll turn around. This is a really long bathroom. So here's the shower, very big shower. A lot of people can fit in here. It is a walk-up tile. And look, turn, 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 turn. Wow. Very, very big. I don't think you can tell how big it is in here, but very, very big. And this walkway is huge, so long. You could kind of exercise in here. Multiple steps coming in. Double bed. Got a wallpaper of wood. Got a long desk here. Small TV, but I don't really care about size of TVs. Hopefully this is a mini fridge. Yep. There we go. And we have a faux balcony. Like they have something out there that you can lean against, but they don't let you open up the door. Mountain view, but it's overcast, so the clouds are right down there. I can see the gondola in the distance. I'll be there tomorrow. This is the room, folks.